Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt, and we've got our first Samsung TV of 2020 in the store to unbox for you here. This is the Q60T. It's sort of the, I guess, the replacement of the RU8000 from 2019, but it does have some added benefits that you'll find in that QLED lineup. Some good things to note just right off the top. We're gonna open it up here, show you the accessories that come with it, and then give our initial first impressions, so stay tuned. So here's all of our accessories that come in the box. You get two plastic pedestal feet. There's a couple of cable management clips, obviously your paperwork, and then you get a slightly updated Samsung One remote that now has the Samsung TV Plus button on it instead of a Hulu button. So that's a slight update, along with a power cord and a couple of batteries for that remote. Here we are on the back of the TV, and this is where all the inputs are located. You've got, facing off to the side, two USBs, and two HDMIs along with an antenna cable. Now, one of the HDMIs does have eARC. I don't believe this is HDMI 2.1 though. I don't think you get variable refresh rate and auto low latency mode on this one. So as you could probably tell from watching the intro there, there's not that much difference in setting this one up. It's pretty straightforward. I will say it's got a really nice looking picture so far. We threw up some footage here just so you guys could get an initial impression along with us, but everything looks really good. The colors look pretty natural. It's a bright picture. This is their first in their lineup of dual LED TVs, so this is kind of a new thing that we're seeing from them this year. So we'll get more into that when we do our full review video on this one. But otherwise, it looks good. Now let's jump into the menus here and just show you what it comes preset with. We haven't changed anything other than putting the picture up on the screen. So it comes set in standard mode. You also get natural, movie, and dynamic. We'll leave it in standard for now. And then as far as the motion settings go, that's the other thing we like to check. It comes with picture clarity turned to auto. You can also set that to custom, where you can sort of adjust things as you will, or turn it off. I personally prefer it turned off, as you've probably seen in our other videos, but everyone sort of has their own preference as far as that is concerned. But we'll leave that off for right now, and then continue to watch some of this really good looking footage. The contrast seems to be nice. Now, as you go up in their lineup, obviously it's going to get even better, but this is a really good starting point for the QLEDs this year, so we're very happy to see that. And again, this is sort of the replacement for the RU8000, and so far, everything's looking pretty good. Stay tuned, because we're gonna have a lot more coming up on this TV. We certainly appreciate you guys watching, and don't forget to subscribe so you get updates as soon as we upload more content, including that review on this TV.